EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martinger, their outlook for the weekend, May 2nd and 3rd, 2020. A fantastic Saturday across the region today with mostly sunny skies and seasonably warm temperatures, 70 or better in many locations. So it'll be a great day to be outdoors and enjoying it and finally get out of the house with not a worry about cloud cover either. I think we have a mostly sunny day the entire day. We'll have clouds start to increase during the evening, though, as we have this weak shortwave coming at us. It's actually a little frontal boundary that's associated with this very weak front, but it does nothing to the temperatures. And we'll have a few showers generally overnight between midnight and 6 a.m.-ish, and then that moves off to the south and east. We are going to remain mostly cloudy here on Sunday in between systems, but I do think, for the most part, most areas are going to hold off with any precipitation until late in the day here on Sunday or evening, and it might just be for the southernmost portions of our region. The European model has it for the southern half of our coverage area here as we get into Sunday evening, but this may just end up being a little bit further south than this. We'll see. Getting the NAM high-res future simulated radar. This is starting off at 9 p.m. this evening, so we're mostly sunny ahead of this all the way to sunset. Then we have clouds start to filter in, then you have these showers back here, just getting ready to come into our northwesternmost points here by late evening. And you see there are just a few light showers, scattered light showers moving through during the overnight period. Here's 2 a.m., and this goes all the way up to 6 a.m., which is right here. And then we are out of the woods. So it looks like a 12 to 6 window overnight when you're sleeping. And if you're going to have the campfire going this evening, you might have to cut it short a little bit if you're up in these northwestern areas with the rain moving in or showers moving in late evening. Further south and east is generally a midnight to 6 a.m. deal that we're dealing with those showers. And then here's a look at what it does for Sunday. And again, it's going to be dry for most of the day. It does have a few showers it wants to bring in here. This is toward the end of the day, though, so this is like late afternoon or early evening, more likely. This is looking actually at 7 right here. You see it starting into our western zones. Here's 8, and then you get into late in the evening, and you have some heavier rain associated with this farther south and just scattered showers further to the north. So this will come through overnight and bring us some scattered showers. Uncertain of exactly how far north this gets, so we'll watch that closely over the weekend, but I don't think this is going to be a headline maker type of system here. Could be some heavier rain here further south with that, but it's quick moving in and out, so it's not going to last very long. And this will end late in the overnight period. This is actually just after midnight here we're looking at, and it's already just moving off the coast at this point. So this is not going to go into Monday. And again, it's going to be one of those things where primarily most of the day's dry, except for maybe very late in the day as we head toward the evening, have those showers moving in. That turns into some locally heavy rain further south, closer to the Mason-Dixon line. And then we get to Monday. We're going to be a little cooler, but not a lot cooler. So we're going to have warm temperatures again on Sunday, into the 70s again. And then once we get to Monday, we're probably mid upper 60s or thereabout for highs. And cloud conditions will be going back to partly cloudy skies. And same thing here for Tuesday. Now, this is a little interesting because the European model has been consistently showing this system, staying far enough far south, and the northern stream feature staying separated from it. So the two of them don't link up, and this stays south of the region. That's on Tuesday into Wednesday. And here's the Wednesday system also moving south. So the European model has absolutely nothing. So if the European model is correct, we will have nothing at all until the end of the week. When you have a cold front coming at us. And I'm going to go over to the GFS real quick just to show you what that shows. And GFS is a little bit different, okay? And it has these showers a lot further north with this system a lot further north. I mean, it's 2 states further north. So they could not be further apart right now as far as what they're showing. And because of that, late Tuesday into Wednesday, with this northern stream feature also catching up closer to this system, you could have some scattered showers that will go into the day here on Wednesday as well. So we have a lower chance, 40% chance of showers for Wednesday, but just keep in mind if the European models ends up being correct, there's not going to be any rain here, okay? That this is what the GFS is showing here, the rain moving right across the region in the Wednesday-Thursday time frame. And again, can I get back there? Here we go. Again, showing the European model, system 1 stays far enough to the south where we don't have anything here. And then here's system number 2, it stays separate and also moves south and keeps us completely dry. But we'll see how that evolves. But it does show that later in the week, they both agree that there will be a cold front coming toward the region. Will give us scattered showers, increasing clouds Friday and scattered showers moving in later in the day and the evening, setting up a dry weekend after that. But it will be much colder as we get into the next weekend, especially not just compared to this weekend, but compared to much of this week. Even though it's going to turn cooler this week, we're going to go from 70s this weekend, mid-upper 60s on Monday, then we're kind of lower 60s Tuesday, and then hovering right on either side of 60 for the rest of this week through Friday, like 58, 60, 62-ish, somewhere in that range. It'll be the rest of the week, but I think the air coming in here for next weekend, next Saturday and Sunday, could be having most of the area stuck in the 50s for highs for a couple days. So it looks like a 2 or 3 day period there where you could be stuck in the upper 50s and near 60 for highs. And it looks like it's likely behind this next system. But the good thing is this is going to start lifting out, and I think it's going to start improving per the long range that I did yesterday as we head toward the middle of the month. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for the weekend, May 2nd and 3rd, 2020. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.